Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the Snapchat friend request limit error quickly. First, open the Google Play Store and search for Snapchat. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version. If you see an update button instead of open, tap on it to update the app. Once that's done, go back to your home screen. Now, press and hold the Snapchat app icon and tap on App Info or the Info icon. Next, go to the Storage section. Here, tap on Clear Cache and then Clear Data. This can help fix minor bugs causing the issue. If the problem still isn't solved, open Snapchat again. Go to your profile, then tap on the Settings icon. Scroll down and tap on Help Center. In the search bar, type something like Adding Friend Issue. Snapchat will show you relevant solutions that can help fix the problem. And that's it. Hopefully, this helps you fix the friend request limit error. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.